Hi, my name is Islam El-Shami. I'm an architect and designer from Egypt, and I'm studying Masters of Built Environment at Arts University Plymouth. I have been developing a project about engaging the local community, visualizing the lost ancient heritage using the latest technologies and AI tools that can give accessibility to non-experts. It was about having workshops, engaging different people from different backgrounds, putting them together in one room and providing them, of course, with actual evidence or archive, and then giving them the tools and taking them step by step into interpreting how they would imagine one of the lost ancient cities in Egypt. In the end, that project should be showcased in the Market Hall in Devonport in the 360 Dome. I chose Arts University Plymouth because, first of all, I researched about the staff. I was really happy to have such professional individuals, and I even contacted some of them, like Professor Stephanie Owens. I sent her an email even before coming here, just to tell her about my interests in the research, a quick brief about what I want to do, and she was extremely supportive from the beginning. Also, I had an online meeting also before coming here, explained to me about the environment in the university and the facilities and how I can actually make my research happen. It really encouraged me to come here. When I arrived on my first day, I just came. The process was very smooth. Some of the staff members to take me on a tour around the campus. I saw that friendliness that I expected, really friendly, really patient, showing me everything, answering all of my questions. Something very special, honestly, I really appreciate human connection. I first arrived and right away, like Jason and Becky, the master's course leader, they recognized me from the first moment and they were like, "Oh, Islam, you're here, welcome." So I was like, wow, they actually remember who I am and they are actually waiting for me. That really made me felt welcome. When I saw the facilities, it was also better than I expected, like the animation studio, the Fab Lab, all of these spaces that are equipped with the latest devices and the latest technologies and everything that would help me to actually realize my project. Everything has been really great from the first moment.